Hey guys, happy February. I was super excited about this month's promos, and so I thought I would hop on live and show you what the promos are, except for the fact that I don't even own any of the promos right now. So it's kind of hard to show you, but I'm going to try my best to show you all the cool things that are available this month in doTERRA land and talk to you guys a little bit about what there is and how to get it and all those fun things. So stay tuned. There is a free gift at the end if you get started with oils this month, if that's something that you haven't done yet. From me to you, happy Valentine's Day, happy February. So I just wanted to gift you with that free gift along with some free gifts from doTERRA. So the first thing I want to talk about is the product of the month. So every single month, doTERRA has a product of the month. They decide, they release it on the first of the month. Nobody knows what it is until the first. And it's just a free oil typically that they just want us to have. So if you order 125 PV on your regular order, your loyalty rewards order, you will be able to get the free product of the month. And you can participate in that one time every single month forever. And so at the end of the year, you get 12 bottles of oil for free if you participate every month. And so it's just an awesome promo, an awesome way that doTERRA just gives back to us for ordering consistently and ordering the products that you're already using in your home. So the free product of the month for February is a Lavender Touch roller. I don't have one because I gifted it to a friend that was in way more need than I was. And so I haven't replaced mine yet. And so what it is a touch roller like this. Obviously this is peppermint just for display purposes, but it is a 10 ml roller just like this. And then you will see the word touch right here. That's how you know that the oil is already diluted with coconut oil. So basically they took some lavender out of your full 15 ml lavender and they diluted it with coconut oil and put it into a roller bottle just like this so that it can be easily applied to the body topically. You don't use them internally and you don't put them in the diffuser, but it's great for any topical needs you would have. So a couple things that I love to use mine for are calming anxious feelings. I love to use lavender for soothing any irritated skin. So it's a great thing if you've got any sun irritation or anything going on. That's a great oil. Another thing that everybody loves to use lavender for is all things calming, all things rest. It's amazing for sleep and supporting your body with that. Any feelings of tension, that's also a good, lavender is a good option for that. If you've got restless kids, the touch version will already be diluted and you can just roll it on their back, roll it on the bottoms of their feet to help them sleep at night, help them with any anxious feelings for school or anything like that. So all you need to do to snag this deal is if you're an existing customer with me, with doTERRA, you can just order 125 PV on the Loyalty Rewards program. If you have any questions about that at all, you're not sure if you qualify, the oil will show up in your cart before you check out. And if you have any questions, make sure you just reach out to me or drop a comment below. I would love to help you, love to make sure that you are getting all those free oils and taking advantage of all of that free goodness that doTERRA gives us for being loyal customers. So the next thing that I want to talk to you about is also an oil that I don't currently have. I have a different version of the oil and I will show you that, but I don't have it. So every month doTERRA also gives us an oil or a product at 10% off. 10% off for new customers, 10% off for existing customers, 10% off on a loyalty rewards, 10% off on a standard order. Doesn't matter. Everybody qualifies. Everybody can get the product for 10% off of whatever the price that they would be paying already is. So this month it is Passion. So here's my Passion roller, but it's going to be Passion in a 5 ml, just like this size of the cheer that I have. So doTERRA has a line of 6 emotional aromatherapy blends. And so there is, you can see here, except for the sun, Motivate, cheer, passion, forgive, console, and peace. And so I have all of them in the touch version. That's what they call the roller bottle version, like we were just talking about the lavender. So they're the oil blend, but they're diluted with coconut oil so you can use them topically. I have all of them in this cute little pack that you can get all together for the roller version, and you can also get all of the 5 ml in a pack together. They come in a pretty little box if you want to get all 6 of the emotional aromatherapy in the 5 ml, but I don't have all of them yet. So I don't even have passion. So you're going to get the passion blend in a 5 ml bottle just like this, okay? So passion, this is the inspiring blend. And so really good for sparking any feelings of passion, helping to inspire you, helping to help with excitement, passion, joy, creativity, clarity, all those types of things. This oil is really good. You can apply it to the back of your neck, maybe on your wrists, your pulse points, anything like that. Now, in the case of what you'll be getting at the 10% off, you're going to get the 5 ml like this. And so this could go in the diffuser. That would be a great option. In the room or at your workplace, you could always diffuse it to help with that creativity. Or you can make yourself a roller bottle out of some of the drops from your bottle. So passion, I just want to tell you about the oils that are in here because there's some amazing oils in this blend. And so if they are oils that you don't have and you are interested in getting them, but they're kind of expensive oils, you can get the one passion blend and you can get all those oils and have the benefits of all of those oils. So the passion inspiring blend has cardamom, cinnamon bark, ginger, clove, sandalwood, vanilla, and jasmine. Jasmine is one of my favorite recently. And so passion has all of those goodness in it and all of the benefits from each of those oils included in the passion blend. And so it is a very spicy, warm, rich oil blend and smells so just juicy, I guess. That warm, spicy aroma just comes through so nicely. This is also a great oil to use as a perfume. So you could use it topically, like right here on your pulse points, on the back of the neck, maybe a little bit behind your ears is a good place to put it. Just to help spark that passion in yourself. Maybe you have a business or you are trying to spark some romance with this Valentine's Day coming up. If that is something that you are interested, I have a coworker that likes to call this the baby making blend. No baby making here, but this is an amazing blend to just help spark those feelings this time of year with Valentine's Day. I know that some people need some help in those areas, and this is a great blend to help support you in that. Again, if you wanted to get the whole line of the Touch Kit, you can get started with that super easily, and they all come together in a pack. So let's shift to 2 more free things. doTERRA has extended their Relax and Renew promo. So I posted a little bit about this in January when they told us about it, but they are extending it all the way through the end of February. So if you get started anytime in the month of February, you can get up to 2 bottles of oil for free. Notice I'm not showing you. You should know if you've already been looking at the promos online or if you saw me post about this promo last month. Again, one of these I can't even get, so I only have a 5 ml size, but if you got started anytime in the month of February with a 100 PV order on oils, 100 PV is like $100. So you can get started with any oils of your choice and we can create a kit for you in a bundle, or you can choose to buy an already put together kit if that's something that you're interested in. But if you get started with a 100 PV order, you're going to get a free 15 ml, so the big size, red mandarin, which is, you can't even buy it. You can only get it for free during this promo. So red mandarin is a citrus oil. It's very good for cleansing. One of the favorite ways to use it is to add it to your toner. So I've been using the Virage toner. I love it. And so I will add a drop or 2 of red mandarin to the toner before I put it on my face and on my skin. help to cleanse those pores, help to just really wake you up in the morning. It's very invigorating. The other thing is that just like all of our citrus oils, I love to do a fruit and veggie wash with like lemon or wild orange. You could also use your red mandarin for that. So it's a good way to help get those chemicals off your produce with your red mandarin. So if you get started with a 100 PV order, you'll get a free big bottle of red mandarin. Now, if you get started with I don't know why this one's open, but if you get started with a 200 PV order, you get your free red mandarin for your 100 PV, but you also will get a free bottle of Serenity in this big size, just like this. It's the only oil I have of all these promos to tell you about. But you can get a free big bottle of Serenity, and then you would still qualify to get the free bottle of red mandarin at that 200 PV level. So Serenity is the Restful blend. It is amazing for sleep, rest, calming, helping with anxious feelings, any of that. It's the Restful blend, so it's really good to put in the diffuser at night, reducing tension, anything like that. It's one of my favorites to put in a warm Epsom salt bath to help detox, calm your body before you go to bed and help settle things down. Another thing you can do is put a drop in the palm of your hand, and you can apply it over your heart to help with any maybe anxious feelings that you might be having. Your heart and your chest is really good for helping with those anxious feelings. So I will put a drop on mine right now, but Serenity is really good for anxious feelings and rest and all those things. This is also another beautiful blend that has some oils in it that you probably don't typically get started with when you get started with oils. And so I want to run over those real quickly, but just know that if you get the Serenity for free, you're kind of jump starting yourself and getting a lot of those other oils that we don't typically, a lot of people just don't get started with when they get started with oils. So Serenity is a base of lavender. It has a pretty high concentration of lavender essential oil that we were talking about a little bit ago, but it also includes cedarwood, hoe wood, ylang ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, vanilla, and Hawaiian sandalwood. So a lot of those you'll hear are very rich, just beautiful calming oils and really grounding oils. And they're all in this blend together. So you can enjoy all of the benefits of all those oils by just getting one bottle of Serenity for free when you get started this month. So of course, if you get started with 100 PV, you will get the free big bottle of red mandarin. And then if you get started with 200 PV, you'll get red mandarin and the Serenity. And if you get started with anything at all this month, 100 PV, 200 PV, more or less, I don't care. I want to gift you something for free for Valentine's Day, just a little appreciation from me to you. And some of you already got this as a Christmas gift, and so if you did and you haven't redeemed your Christmas gift yet, definitely let me know if you're ready to schedule your appointment for a free Aroma Touch. And so James and I both got certified in April to do the Aroma Touch technique. Now that is a technique that uses 8 of our essential oils on the back and 2 on your feet. Really, really amazing for supporting the immune system, helping with tension, soreness, helping to support your body with rest, relaxation, a little bit of pain management, and then also to help invigorate your senses inside and get your body working on processing out and detoxing and all that kind of thing. So it's 8 oils. It's just the most beautiful technique. James and I are exchanging one for each other each month of 2019. We're going to try to be really intentional about that because of how supportive they are for your body as you're receiving it, but also how amazing the benefits of all the oils aromatically are when you are giving an Aroma Touch to somebody else. So he did my Aroma Touch last night after I did one for him, and I don't remember making it past the first 2 oils. So the first oil that you do in the technique is Balance. The second one is Lavender. I was out. So was he by the second oil. I don't remember any of the rest of the technique. I slept through it. I woke up at the end and the lights were off and it was dark and calm. And all I did was get up off the massage table, go into our bedroom, and go to bed. I was just done for the night, completely relaxed, super, super, refreshed when I woke up this morning, and all of the goodness that comes from the Aroma Touch. So you can get started with all of the 8 oils in the Aroma Touch technique, and then it comes with like a guide just like this that shows you how to do that technique. If it's something that you want to do for a family member or a friend, you don't have to be certified to do it. We just chose to go get certified because it costs the same amount for us to get certified versus us to just buy the oils as they were. And that way I can give them to you guys and gift them and just show my appreciation that way. So, wonderful, wonderful thing. I just want to gift to you guys for Valentine's Day, and those of you who haven't redeemed your Aroma Touch technique that you got for Christmas, you would have gotten a little gift certificate from me for an Aroma Touch. Just call me, text me, drop a comment, send me a message, whatever, and let's get it on the calendar so that I can help gift you with some relaxation and some, time away from home. It takes less than an hour, and you're welcome to come hang out with me and have some quiet time. And we really set the mood in the room to be very calming, very restful for you, and just help to support your body. And that's what we're here for. That's what these oils are here for, is to support you and help you get some rest. So if you are interested in any of these promos, you have any questions at all, there's anything that I can do for you, make sure that you drop a comment, send me a message. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful February and a happy, happy Valentine's Day. I will be back before Valentine's Day, and I have some fun things planned coming up, but I just want to hop on and let you know what the promos are. So enjoy your Friday. I hope you have a great weekend.